Well, it looked like the markets had turned around from their four-day drop this morning, Susan, the longest stretch of decline seen in Europe since February. And as of this moment, though, looking at the European benchmarks, you can find the FTSE, the CAC, the DAX, all in the red, though we are seeing them come off the lows of the session. But take a look at the Stock 600. It's now valued at its most expensive since March 2004. It's now trading below its 200-day moving average, signaling possibly that a summer correction has started. Now, today in London, we've got more cause for concern. The UK retail sales dropped more than expected, and with that number you're going to find consumer-related stocks are taking a drop, not just in the UK but across the board in Europe. Also taking points off the FTSE are bank stocks like HSBC and Barclays leading the way lower. Two factors here that I wanted to make a mention of. One, a Bloomberg exclusive. According to Data Monitor, 1 in 7 Britons will not get credit from the country's largest banks, and that is going to swell the customer base, I should say, of subprime lenders. Now, the other is a battle brewing between Chancellor Alistair Darling and UK Prime Minister Gordon Brown. All these dividing lines really coming up ahead of the next election sometime this year. Now, Darling says the UK government must make tough decisions to curb the budget deficit. That's even as the Prime Minister emphasises the need to lift spending. Also, Bank of England Governor Mervyn King seemed to almost back Darling, saying that Britain's banking system may need to raise more capital to finance the economic recovery. That's, of course, as officials keep printing money. Now, also dropping, you're going to find commodity producers. Susan made a mention of Rio Tinto. That's a name you're going to find leading the drop. Also, BG Group, another name I can mention here in Europe. Xstrata, though, interestingly, the only one managing to hold its head above water. Also, before I go, I did want to make a mention that the Swiss National Bank, well, that's left its benchmark rates unchanged at 0.25%, saying it's going to take firm action to prevent any appreciation of the franc. That's, of course, as the bank battles deflation in the country. Now, that's just another factor we'll be watching as the markets continue to trade here in Europe. Scarlett.
Maithri Sitharaman in London.